Good evening, children. Good evening, ma'am. Samira, ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm good, ma'am. How are you?
Fine, fine. Ma'am, a new student named Adya has joined into the class. She will be
Okay.
joining right now. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I'll take care of it. Good evening, class. All of you have done your homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you all sent it to me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Children, turn on your cameras. Good evening, Adrit. Good evening, Sri Tej.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Okay. We'll wait for 5 more minutes. Okay, because there are a lot more students yet to join. I don't want to start the class just in between like that. We'll just wait for 5 more minutes. By 6:05, we'll start the class. Okay.
Yeah, when the class is going on, the minimum this one courtesy is to greet the teacher, right? When the class is going to happen, and then turn on your cameras. Never turn off your cameras. Concentrate on the class, same as you are doing it offline in your class. And welcome Adya to the class. Adya, turn on your camera. Some Aishwarya, also turn on your camera. Yeah.
Welcome, Adya.
Welcome, Adya, to the group. Yeah,
You're not audible, Adya.
you're not audible.
No, you're not audible. Check your mic connectivity, Adya.
Yes. Welcome. You're still not audible.
Still not audible, Adya. Can you try speaking? I think you have some speaker issues. You need to rectify that because it's very important. No, I'll be asking you all questions and you should be able to answer them. For that, I need a good speaker connectivity. Is there anything you can check on it right now? Yeah, please check your speaker and quickly let me know. I can't hear you yet, Adya. I can only see your video where you're trying to talk, but I can't listen to you. Okay, I hope I'm audible. Welcome to Chanakya. Yeah, so I'll just give you a small introduction on how this class will be conducted. So it'll be easy for you to follow. Okay, so I'll be taking class using my stylus and my board will be shared. All the notes will be given by me. And while I'm taking class, I request you to completely concentrate on what I'm actually teaching you. Okay, I don't want you to take any notes when I'm actually teaching. After I'm done with a particular topic, I'll be giving you sufficient time where all the students will be allowed to copy whatever is there on the board. Okay, and at that same time, you can clarify all the doubts that you have. All right, and weekly tests will be conducted on whatever is being taught that particular week. Okay, every Sunday you'll be having the test, which you can access it through WhatsApp. Okay, the test accessibility will be from morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 p.m. Okay, so within that duration, you can access it anytime. So test will be like normal fill in the blanks. You will have match the following. You'll have MCQs like that. Okay, which will be for barely 10 to 15 marks. So that test shows your eligibility or how much you're actually concentrating on the class. In case your mark goes below 50%, then you will be given special homework, which is additional homework to what I'm actually giving you. Okay. So for now, your science classes will be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Okay. From 6 to 7. Okay. And I'll be giving you homework. Every class, I'll give you a homework. My number, you can get it from the class group. Okay. So I want you to do the homework, write it down, and send me a picture of it in my WhatsApp, in my direct message. Okay. And I'll be telling you whatever corrections are there and anything. And if there's any doubt that you have after class, feel free. You can text me whatever doubt you have. I'll clarify it to you. And in case if you're absent, you can refer the lecture, which is already there. Recorded session will be there in the WhatsApp. You can refer it through that. Okay. All right, Adya. Fine. So the rest of the class, I gave you all a homework stating, Aishwarya, what was the homework given?
Ma'am, what was prevention better than cure?
Why prevention is better than cure? Sritej, what did you understand from the homework?
Ma'am, actually, not happen. We should not let the virus or the virus or ma'am, like whatever illness or etc. happening to you. That either than stopping it or correcting it after it starts. Cure means we have to cure the body, like we should stop it and then like that. And prevention means we have to stop it from happening. We should stop it from coming into it.
Exactly.
So
So
that's
prevent.
why
Yeah.
if our body has faced anything before, it will be easier to face the disease easily, but better than that is preventing it.
Exactly. Okay. So always treating is something that you'll do after you get a particular disease. For example, I ate ice cream today. Okay, or I ate ice cream last week. I had lots of ice cream. Now this week I'm having sore throat, I'm having cough, I have fever. So, and then I'm having tablets and then I'm becoming all right. Okay, you can do that. But if I would have avoided having the ice cream in such a cold weather, then I wouldn't have been affected at all, right? So instead of suffering and finding a treatment and curing the illness that you have, always preventing the illness is better. That is why the saying prevention is always better than cure. This is not only in the aspect of biology, it's also in the aspect of everything in your life. Preventing any issue from affecting your life is better than actually getting the issue and then finding a solution to it. Okay, instead of not doing your test well and writing so many special homeworks and finally improving, in the beginning itself you can start improving. Okay, so with that, let's start the class. I'll just share my screen. Please let me know if it's visible. Just a minute. Is my screen visible? I hope it's visible. Is it visible to all of y'all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in yesterday's class, we clearly saw the different types of vitamins and what each vitamin is actually doing to our body. Okay. So since I just don't want to start in between, since we also have a new student, Adya, please concentrate. Okay. I'll be asking you questions to see how attentive you are. So coming back again to the topic of vitamins. Deepika, tell me, what is the use of vitamins? If I generally ask you what vitamins are, how would you answer the question? Deepika, Adrit,
Ma'am, can you hear me?
yeah, I can hear you.
Ma'am,
What are vitamins?
Should I answer or Deepika?
Let Deepika answer that. Thank you.
ma'am, can you repeat it once again?
What is vitamins and what are the use of vitamins?
Ma'am, it helps for the blood to flow faster.
Mm-hmm.
Thus, it helps for the immunity in our body
Mm-hmm.
and also for skin, eyes, and everything.
All right. So yeah, of course, we know that in order to have a healthy body, you need to have a healthy RBC count. RBC in the sense red blood cells. So this RBC count is enriched by the presence of vitamin in our body. It also increases your body's immunity level. Immunity is the ability to fight the diseases. Okay. So in vitamins, apart from other nutrients, the special thing about vitamins is you have so many types of vitamins, whereas you don't have this classification in the other nutrients. So you have A, B, C, D, E, and K. Okay, we also saw what each vitamin causes to you. We saw the symptoms and we saw the disorders. So apart from the symptoms and the disorders that is caused due to the deficiency, let us see what it is good for. Obviously, vitamin A, it prevents you from losing your eyesight because vitamin A deficiency causes what disorder? Anybody? Quickly, quickly. Vitamin A deficiency causes
Night blindness.
night blindness. So vitamin A deficiency causing night blindness. Obviously, if you have vitamin A in your body, it will give you better eyesight. Okay. And vitamin B deficiency causes
Ma'am, berry.
beriberi. Beriberi affects which part of your body?
Ma'am, muscles.
Your muscles and your bones. So vitamin B, if you have, you will have a healthy muscle and healthy bone and also enriched cell function. Okay. Whereas vitamin C deficiency causes
Curvy.
scurvy. Scurvy affects which part of your body?
Ma'am, gums. Near
Your gums. Your gums start bleeding. So you'll have healthy gums. This is how you write in the test. You know what disorder it causes and what it is good for. So if you have vitamin C, you will have healthy gums. You will have healthy bones and teeth. Okay. And also it enriches your immunity. Vitamin D deficiency causes
rickets.
rickets. Rickets affects obviously your bones. So if you have vitamin D, it enriches your bones. That is, you know, the bones is made up of calcium. So it uses calcium to enrich your bone strength. And vitamin E,
Ma'am, Crohn's disease. So you'll get
Crohn's
pain
disease.
skin and you'll have rapid aging.
Very good. So you'll have rapid aging. That is basically you'll have wrinkles in your body and you'll have pale skin. Okay. So vitamin E uses antioxidants. What is antioxidants? What do we see? What is antioxidants? Antioxidant is an agent that prevents your body from spoiling. I already gave you all an example. Now, when you die, your body decays, right? Because there is no blood flow in your body, there's no oxygen supply, there's no exchanges of gases, no cell functioning, your brain is dead, your heart is not beating. So, when all this happens, that is basically when you're dead, and there is no cell functioning, obviously there is no vitamin supply also. So vitamin E is an important factor that actually keeps your body alive. Okay. You must have noticed some people, like for example foreigners, they're very pale. You hit them lightly also, their skin will become pink in color. Why? The pink color is because of the blood rushing to that particular portion where it is hit. So this is because your body is not healthy. Okay, they're very weak. They don't have good immunity. So this, their body spoils faster than that of our body because we know we are of more brown tone, right? So and we're also more prone to vitamin D that is from the sun. So this vitamin E increases antioxidant level in your body. So this antioxidant is a substance that prevents your body from rotting, or you can say prevents your body from oxidation. This is the term that you use. That is why antioxidant. Anti means preventing. So why that is why you say antibacteria, antivirus, because you're killing the bacteria, you're killing the virus. So anti means no or kill, okay, or prevent. So it prevents oxidation. Oxidation is nothing but spoiling. You all must have noticed you're going and buying a Lay's chips packet. Do you think the full chips packet is full of Lay's? Is the full packet full of chips? Or only half packet is full of chips?
Ma'am, half.
Half. So what is this remaining half? Why is it empty? This remaining half, you might think that it's a scam. They're all cheating us. They're only filling half the packet. It's not, that's not what they're doing. They're filling half the packet because the remaining half of the packet is an antioxidant. You're having chips. The remaining is nitrogen gas. This nitrogen gas prevents the chips from oxidation. That is, prevents the chips from spoiling. You're keeping your chips out, you're keeping the packet out for a long period of time. You're just keeping out from morning to evening. What will happen? It becomes very soggy. The chips become very soggy, right? Have you noticed it?
Yes, ma'am.
It won't be edible. It's because it is oxidized, which is it has been exposed to oxygen more and it has become spoiled. So this nitrogen gas, when it is filled inside the chips packet, it prevents the chips from spoiling. That is, it prevents from oxidation. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please make note of the definitions and whatever you think is important. I think I already told you all to note this yesterday, but since this is new, you all can note it down. 1 minute. Adya, the screen's visible and everything is clear for you. Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, since I can't hear you, please text me. Text in the chat box. Okay.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, there's a message in the chat box. Adya sent that should I write it down or not?
Yes, Adya, you should write it down. That is why I'm giving the time now for everybody. That's why I'm quiet. You should note it down. Can note down all the types of vitamins and note down what they're used for. So vitamin A is good for your skin and eyes. Vitamin B is also known as B complex, which causes beriberi. You can look at the arrows, follow the arrows. It's called as beriberi. It helps in cell function. Vitamin C improves your immunity. Vitamin D uses calcium in order to enrich your bones and teeth. Vitamin E increases the amount of antioxidants in your body, that is, prevents oxidation, that is, spoiling, which is the same principle that is used in a chips packet. Vitamin K enriches your blood flow and improves clotting of your blood, that is, reduces the loss of blood from your body. Adya, please rectify your mic issue, okay? This is a very important uh, class, and also I don't want you to miss your doubts because of this. Okay, so please rectify your mic issue. Tomorrow you'll be having same time class. I don't want you to have the same issue. Adya, also please drop a message in the chat once you're done. The rest of the class, are you all done? Aishwarya, Adre, Deepika, Soumya, all of you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is Sritej.
Okay, Shritesh. Are you done? It's taking a bit too long. Are you done, Nadia? Are you still writing? Do you have a little more to write? Can you please respond quickly? Adya, are you done? You wrote fully. Yes or no? Just tell me, I can see you. Half you're done. Okay, fine. Okay. All right. So apart from this, we have Kwashiorkor and also we have marasmus. So what is this Kwashiorkor and marasmus? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, kwashiorkor is a type of malnutrition.
Malnutrition. What is the meaning of malnutrition?
Ma'am, the deficiency of nutrition.
Inefficiency of nutrition. So what nutrition is deficient for Kwashiorkor? Do you know that?
Ma'am, is it protein?
Yes, it's protein. Protein deficiency. And marasmus? Why is it always 3 page? Can anybody else try? Marasmus is caused because deficiency of. Look at the symptoms. Look at it. You can easily tell. You know what the function of each nutrient is. See which nutrient is deficient over here. Soumya, can you try? Deepika, Soumya, turn your cameras on. Yeah, try answering, Soumya.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Marasmus is caused due to deficiency of what nutrient?
Ma'am, if we don't get our nutrients,
What nutrients? Deepika, can you try, Deepika?
Hello?
Yes.
Are you asking something?
Yeah, I asked you what are the nutrients that deficiency causes marasmus? Kwashiorkor, protein deficiency. Marasmus is what deficiency?
Ma'am, I'm confused between carbohydrates and fat.
It's actually both. Good try. Carbohydrates, fats. You also have proteins. It's all these three. See, this is what I expect from you all. I don't care if it's right or wrong. I just want you to come forward and tell me the answer, no matter what is right or wrong. Okay, good work, Deepika. So it's carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So these are macronutrients. Okay, note it down. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are macronutrients. So what is remaining? Vitamins and minerals. Those are micronutrients. So I'm asking you, what is macronutrient? You should be able to tell me that it's carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So write it down. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Micronutrients is vitamins and minerals. Macronutrients is carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Write it down. Macronutrient deficiency causes marasmus. Protein deficiency causes kwashiorkor. And you can see all the symptoms over here. Please note it down. So for marasmus, you have thin and brittle hair. You have simian faces. Simian faces means like you can literally see the jaw of your bone. It's literally that skinny you are. Okay, so that is simian facies. And then you have loss of muscle mass that's clearly visible in the whole body and in the leg region. Whereas you have thin and brittle hair, similar thing which is happening in kwashiorkor. You have a moon face, that is a bulged out face. Okay, so it's a moon face. And you also have a bulging abdomen, which is also known as ascites. Okay, please write macronutrient deficiency, marasmus, symptoms. These are symptoms. Protein deficiency, kwashiorkor, symptoms. These are symptoms. Note it down quickly and tell me when you're done. Adya, type in the chat box if you're done. Please don't just stay like that. Please tell me that you're done once you're done. And someone can just save chat box and tell me if she's done.
Ma'am, this is at the time that.
Okay. Yes, sir. I just checked. Advika has entered the class. Hello, sir. I will let Advika inside. Sorry, sir. No, sir. I've even checked all the settings. I can't rectify that at all. Yeah, she's inside the class. I did. Sure, sir. I'll let you know. Thank you. Yeah, please note it down.
Ma'am, I'm done actually.
Okay.
Ma'am, in Kwashiorkor, the last one is a line, right, ma'am? What is bulging abdomen?
Bulging abdomen. It means like bulging out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am Adya said I'm over.
Okay, Adya. Thank you, Deepika. The rest of y'all, who else is left?
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Sridhar Chandra.
Okay. Who else is writing it yet? Anybody else left? Okay, great. Fine. So apart from that, you all know very well about the whole digestive tract and how your body is designed. So obviously your food enters your buccal cavity. This is something you've already noted down earlier, but if you want to write it down again, you can write it down when I'm teaching itself. So since Adya here is a new student, I'm telling this part again. So first you eat your food. The food goes inside your mouth. This mouth region is called the buccal cavity. Okay. So after it reaches your mouth, it goes down to your foot pipe. You have two pipes over here. You have your foot pipe and your windpipe. So first it goes to the foot pipe and then the esophagus. Esophagus is basically your neck portion. Okay, so after it goes to the esophagus, then it goes and enters your stomach. Inside your stomach, you have an acid. This acid is called hydrochloric acid or HCl, which is of low concentration. So the food that you eat falls over here and it dissolves in this acid. Okay, and this is what? What organ is this?
Ma'am,
Liver. So your liver has something called the bile. So this bile only secretes a juice called bile juice. Below the liver, you have your pancreas. Pancreas secrete pancreatic juice. So bile juice and pancreatic juice act upon the HCl along with the food and all your nutrients are absorbed. And then it goes to the small intestine first or large intestine?
Large intestine.
So first it will enter large intestine. Who said large intestine?
Ma'am Soumya.
Soumya. This much time you're starting now and you don't know where it enters first? Sritej, where does it enter first? Large intestine or small intestine?
Ma'am, small intestine.
Small intestine. It will enter the small intestine first. Here only maximum absorption of all the nutrients are done over here. After it enters the small intestine only, it enters the large intestine. So the large intestine, water and roughage is absorbed. So here is where the roughage acts on and helps in smooth movement, bowel movement. And then the waste is excreted out through your anus. This is your digestive system. Okay. I don't think there's much to note down over here, but Adya, please note down the areas to be covered. So first the food enters the buccal cavity and whatever the regions are, it need to enter, the food needs to enter. Please note all of that down. Tell me when you're done. Text when you're done. The rest of the students, if you want to note it down, please note it down.
Ma'am, what is down of esophagus?
You have, were you asking about the organ or what is written?
Ma'am, what is written?
You have pancreatic juice.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Mom, I'm done. Aishwarya.
Okay.
Ma'am, is there any homework?
Sorry?
Ma'am, is there any homework?
Yeah, I'll give you the homework. I'll give you.
Ma'am, Adya sent a message that she's done.
Okay, Ram. Adya, please note down the homework also. And the rest of the class too. I want you to write macronutrients heading, write whatever nutrients come under it. Under each thing, carbohydrates, you're writing macronutrients means carbohydrates. What is the function of carbohydrates? Fats, what is the function of fats? Proteins, what is the function of proteins? Then micronutrients, vitamins, what is the function of vitamins? Like this, I want a detailed classification. Okay. So Soumya, where's your homework? Deepika, homework. Advika, homework. Where are all your homeworks?
Ma'am, I'll send you after the class.
Why is this becoming regular?
Ma'am, this is Adrit. I'm done writing the homework.
Okay, Ra, you can leave the class. Once you note down the homework, you can leave the class. Soumya, I need an explanation or I have to talk about this to your parent. Did you do your homework? Why didn't you send it to me?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Ra.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Deepika, you didn't send me your homework. Why? If you don't answer here, I'm putting up the name list in the group. It's making no difference. If you tell me an explanation, I'll at least not mention your name in the group.
Hi, ma'am.
Can you hear me, Deepika?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the homework?
Ma'am, I'll send you right now, ma'am. I'm forgetting, ma'am.
Yeah, okay, send it to me.
Hi, ma'am.
Bye bye. Adya, did you note down the homework? Okay, did you understand the class? Okay, Adya. You need to do your homework and send me an image of it in my WhatsApp number, okay? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye bye.